This is the second video in the series that I'm doing on classic pocket knives. This next one is called a Trapper. It has two blades. One is a clip point blade, similar to what we found on the Stockman. This particular model has a little bit longer blade. It's a 3-inch blade, but it also comes in shorter versions as well. The second blade has a spade blade shape. It is a spade blade, and this pocket knife was used for skinning animals when you were trapping. So you would use this for general cutting purposes of the skinning them, as well as maybe processing the meat a little bit and cutting rope that's associated with the traps and so on. This was frequently carried with a belt knife to process the bulk of the meat was. This was more the fine skinning tasks. So again, this is a Trapper.